Happy Wednesday to you. I hope everyone had a great Tuesday. Yesterday late, I sent out a word search with our spelling words. Make sure you carefully look at today's schedule because I am moving this morning. I am unable to meet with y'all at our 8:30 meeting. Please use this time to complete your Wonder Wednesday morning work. At 9, you have science, and at 9:45, Miss Bessie will be my substitute for the morning. Her Zoom code and password have been added to the slide of all teacher Zoom and passwords in the PowerPoint. Make sure you log into her Zoom, not my Zoom, her Zoom before 9:45. It will likely run over in time, the time that you spend with her, but you will not have a math session. Instead, I have included some activities in Seesaw to complete. I also have added a study buddy of your spelling and vocabulary words for the story On the Banks of Plum Creek. That will show you the correct spelling and the definitions of those vocabulary to look over throughout the week. Take care, everyone. Make it a great Wednesday, and I will see you guys on Thursday.